What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. XOXO Shiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. The brands are very much into these pre-cut wigs right now, and today we have another one. It's a closure unit. It's pre-parted for us already too, and it is a breathable cap that does have an adjustable strap that you can take out. So let's try her on. That this lace is very much like, I don't know if it's HD, but it's giving HD. It very much like just sits on my head right. And I also do feel like if you're a glueless girly, like you don't like no glue, no spray, no nothing, this is one that will sit on your head well. Y'all know I don't typically do my wigs that way because they slide on me. Like I don't like, glueless is not my ministry, it's not my bag. I need a little security. It does have combs in it and I'm gonna use them. So even though the lace is pre-cut, this is not a pre-plucked wig. You're gonna have to pluck this unit. Kind of makes me wish it wasn't pre-cut because it made it a little bit harder for me to tweeze out the hairline because I didn't really have much to hold on to. But it honestly wasn't a huge deal. Much you need to pluck or not pluck. It's just dependent upon how you like your wigs to look and how much you need to pluck for it to look like it's coming off your scalp. Everybody's different, so you just gotta do you and play with it a little bit. Take a break, comb it back, see what it does. So don't have to pluck on your head. You can pluck on your knee with a towel, or you could even pluck, you know, on a mannequin head. Spirit of trying to keep it quick and easy, I did not do a bald cap. I just sprayed my cap down so it would stay on my head in place, and then I went ahead and just sprayed the wig down real quick. It's a 4x4 closure, so it didn't take much at all. I'm loving how much HG lace is really kind of the standard now. One thing I will give these wigs is that I do feel like once you customize it for you, like do a little bit of plucking and all that, it is pop on and go. Like I will give it that to that degree. And that's not specific to even this hair company. This is my second time reviewing wigs that's supposed to be like this, and they all just need a few like tweaks to really get it right, but it's not bad. And the hair is really good quality, and like the lace for me though, the lace is lacing. I ain't even like tinted it down or nothing. I actually forgot to do that first, but that's fine because I just need to do the part anyway. Now I really do like this hair a lot. I love the color on it. It's like a deep red. It's not like a red, but it's a very nice red. I wouldn't consider it a 99J either. It's somewhere in between, but I like it. And I love the fullness of the hair. Like, I love that it's not like really sitting even before I do it. I love how it's not just like sitting on my head up here. Like it's got some volume. All right, let's get into styling. I'm using my wax stick to flatten the top down. I love that it's already pre-parted for me, so I don't have to do that work. This is a silky hair, so it didn't take much to lay it flat. Honestly, the wax alone kind of got it flat, but I went over it with my hot comb too, just to put everything into place. There were not a lot of flyaways, if any at all, in this hair. I'll be noticing that when I'm trying to flatten the top. That'll let you know if you got some flyaways or not, because them things will shoot up. And did some flat iron curls like I normally do with body wave hair. And y'all, when I tell you, these curls have stayed for days. I've taken this wig off and put it back on one more time since I did this video, and the curls were still there. I don't know if it's just like the flat iron I was using, or if it's like a combination of that and using the Ebin spray. But when I tell y'all it got the job done and I didn't have to recurl my hair, it was great. Definitely on my mind to discuss this more now in videos when I have colored hair, but this color did not bleed. I know I had that problem last time I did this similar color a while back, and that color was bleeding all on my flat iron. My flat iron is still a little bit pink, and it was bleeding all over my hands and stuff. But this one, I didn't have any issues with bleeding. As usual, I am curling the hair in opposite directions so I can get optimal fullness. See, I was using the Ebin spray because that was the hairspray I had on me, but I think I'm about to start using that for good as holding spray and lace spray because it has a great hold. And the curls weren't too hard and crunchy or nothing like that, but the hold, amazing. Wanted that look that curls get when they're brushed through, so I decided to brush through them this time instead of finger combing it like I usually do. I ain't brush at it too hard though, because I didn't want to get rid of my curls. I just wanted them to like really flow together. Why did I say together like that? Who do I think I am? The lace didn't take much to tint at all to my head, but the lace was already pretty much really close to my skin tone, so that wasn't very hard for me at all. I did go in and cover up that line of demarcation from my cap. You know, I just really pressed the powder in that area. And since I didn't have a color in my palette that really matched the color of the hair, I just used like a darker brown. And this is how it looks without me doing any extra layers or anything to it. It looks really good. But you know, I had to go in and add some layers. I just like movement. I don't like all my curls uniformed and together. I like a little bit of some extra. So you know, I had to go in and add some layerage. Adding layers was going to give me the illusion of a little bit more density without it, you know, being actually too bulky. This was the final look. This wig is gorgeous. My sisters and my cousin was saying it's giving Ariel, and I do like this color on me, y'all. Definitely consider this wig beginner friendly and easy to style. It didn't take much work at all. Interested? You already know, link down in the description box. If you don't